I need to grow these, and other plants. After I harvest the garlic, I'll have a place to put some things. The only problem is my garlic has taken a valuable amount of nutrients from the soil. How are we going to fix that? Y'all watch all the way to the end and you'll find out how. I just got through harvesting a little patch of garlic I had. Now I'm letting it cure. What am I going to do with the soil that this garlic came out of? This is where my garlic was. This soil has worked hard. It has given all that it could give to grow me garlic. The least I can do is give back to it. The garlic has taken out a lot of the nutrients out of this soil, all because of its selfish reason of wanting to grow. I'm going to put it back in. I dug a trench right here. I'm going to fill this trench up with some stuff to kind of jump start it. I got some old paper. I'm just going to rip up. I'm going to throw in the trench. It don't have to be perfect because it's going underground. I'm just putting a little carbon in the ground. Give the worms something to chew on, if you will, with the rest of the stuff I'm going to put in here. I like to rake some of these leaves from the edge of the woods. These leaves have been in here a while. They've been rotting down. I don't know what all's in these leaves, but I'm thinking there's probably some, what they call mycelium, mycorrhizum, or whatever. I'm thinking there's probably some of that in here. I'm going to put a little of that in my trench. Let's add some limbs to it. It'll aerate the soil and it'll rot down. It'll help retain moisture. These are old dead limbs. Some of them are actually rotting. Perfect. This is biochar. I went to my tub full of biochar. I'm going to get a few shovelfuls of biochar and I'm going to throw in there just for good measure. Rabbit poo. That'll make the old soil happy. This is some rabbit tea that I'd made up. I need to make some more up, freshen it up a little bit. So I'm just going to dump this in my trench. Let's just cover this back up. Now you can add anything you want. You can add food scraps, you can add compost, you can add chicken manure, cow manure. It's your choice. It's your buffet. It's just what you want to feed your soul. How much do you love your soul as to how much you want to make it happy. I'm going to cover this with leaves. I'm going to let it set for a couple weeks before I plant anything in it. Let it have time to rejuvenate a little bit. Obviously, you wouldn't want to do this on a big scale. It'd be hard work, but you do it a little bit at a time. You take something out, rejuvenate that soil. It'll thank you later. God bless.